Welcome to the Software Developer Career Path series. In this video, we'll explore the complete journey from entry-level junior developer to principal engineer. We'll cover the responsibilities, skills, and compensation at each level, helping you understand what lies ahead in your software engineering career. Whether you're just starting out or planning your next move, this guide will show you the pathways available and what it takes to advance. Every software engineer progresses through distinct career levels. At the foundation, we have junior developers who are entry-level and learning the fundamentals. Next comes mid-level developers who take on more responsibility and begin mentoring others. Senior developers provide technical leadership and architectural decisions. Staff engineers specialize deeply in specific technical domains. And at the top, principal engineers set the vision and strategy for the entire organization. These levels represent increasing technical expertise, responsibility, and impact. Junior developers are entry-level professionals focused on learning and execution. Your main responsibilities include writing clean and maintainable code, following company coding standards and guidelines, implementing assigned features, and participating in code reviews to learn from experienced developers. During this phase, your primary growth focus is mastering language fundamentals, learning debugging techniques, understanding system architecture, and building problem-solving skills. Junior developers typically spend 1 to 3 years in this role, building the foundation for their career. To succeed as a junior developer, you need programming fundamentals including data structures, algorithms, and logic. Version control is essential, especially Git for branching and collaboration. Understanding testing and quality assurance, including unit tests and basic debugging, is crucial. Strong communication skills help you ask questions and document your work clearly. Teamwork and collaboration enable you to work effectively with senior developers. Finally, self-learning and continuous improvement through reading documentation and solving problems independently will accelerate your growth significantly. The transition to mid-level typically happens after 2 to 3 years of experience. You need to demonstrate consistent technical growth through improved code quality and problem-solving abilities. Steady project delivery shows you can handle larger responsibilities. What changes in this transition is significant. You'll own larger features independently without constant supervision. You'll start mentoring junior developers directly. You'll design system architecture rather than just implementing features. And you'll drive technical decisions that impact your team's direction. Mid-level developers have dual focus areas. On the technical side, you build scalable systems from the ground up, optimize performance for production environments, design data models that support business requirements, and implement industry best practices. On the leadership side, you mentor junior developers through guidance and feedback, lead code reviews to maintain quality standards, drive technical decisions that affect team direction, and improve team processes and workflows. Your role becomes a bridge between individual contribution and team leadership. Senior developers typically require 5 to 8 years of experience. Your core responsibilities include defining technical standards for the team, architecting major systems that scale across the organization, driving innovation initiatives that advance technology, and resolving complex problems that others cannot solve. Your team impact is equally important. You mentor multiple developers at once, dramatically improving team velocity through better processes and architecture, shape engineering culture through your actions and decisions, and connect technical solutions directly to business value. Senior developers multiply their impact through others. Senior developers impact teams through 3 primary mechanisms. In mentorship, you guide junior and mid-level developers through their growth, conduct thorough code reviews that teach important principles, provide career coaching and direction, and share knowledge broadly across the team. In architecture, you design systems that reduce complexity for others, enable the team to scale without rewrites, and establish patterns that others follow. In culture, you set standards for quality and behavior, drive technological innovation and new ideas, build trust throughout the team, and improve morale through your leadership and example. Staff engineers represent one path beyond senior. This track focuses on technical depth rather than management. Your focus areas include developing deep technical expertise in specific domains, building specialized knowledge that few others possess, solving exceptionally hard problems that block progress, and setting technical direction for your specialization. Your key responsibilities involve owning critical systems that are vital to the company, driving major technical initiatives that advance the platform, publishing best practices that influence the entire industry, and having influence that extends across multiple teams. Staff engineers are the parallel track to principal engineers. Principal engineers represent the highest technical leadership in most companies. Your strategic focus includes defining the company's technology strategy for years to come, shaping the technology roadmap that guides engineering decisions, driving organizational change to improve how technology is developed, and connecting business objectives directly to technical solutions. Your scope and impact are organization-wide. You influence the entire company's technical direction, set long-term vision that guides all engineers, mentor other leaders and senior engineers, and advise the executive team on technology matters. This is the pinnacle of technical leadership. Compensation grows significantly as you advance. Junior developers typically earn around $80,000 annually. Mid-level developers reach approximately $130,000 as responsibility increases. Senior developers command around $200,000 in total compensation. Staff engineers earn approximately $280,000 or more. Principal engineers at top companies earn $380,000 and above. These figures are approximate and vary significantly based on company size, location, industry, and experience. The growth trajectory shows the increasing value you bring to the organization. Remember these critical points about your career journey. First, career growth is nonlinear. You may progress quickly in some areas and slowly in others. Second, focus on impact and learning rather than just climbing titles. Third, both the staff and principal paths lead to success. Choose based on your strengths and interests. Fourth, build strong relationships and a positive reputation throughout your career. Your next steps are clear. First, assess your current level honestly against the criteria we discussed. Second, identify specific skill gaps you need to close. Third, choose your preferred track, whether that is management, technical depth, or hybrid. And fourth, create an action plan with concrete goals and timelines. Start your journey today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.